Stop it! Dala, stop it! The same method that Buhari used, you want to use it again? 8,000 naira for every household. After 6 months, you leave them, they will not be hungry. Are you repairing the problem, or you are causing more damage? President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has said that 12 million households will get 8,000 naira monthly. 12 million households, that is 12 million poor and low income households, we get 8,000 naira monthly for 6 months. Now, first of all, my question is this here. How are you going to locate the 12 million low income households across the country? 8,000 naira for, let's say, for example, where the northern part of Nigeria, where I come from, let's say we have I have 24 children in my house. So you now give me 8,000 for 6 months. Are you giving me the 8,000 naira to go and eat, or you are giving me the 8,000 to go and invest so that I can have a return of investment in 6 months? 8,000 naira. Now, do you think that is the solution to solving the problem of poverty, to solving the problem that the poverty that the removal of subsidy has brought upon the nation? You know, I did a video some time ago and I said there are palliative measures that the federal government is supposed to take before they remove subsidy. You have to provide palliative measures. Now they remove subsidy first of all. The next thing, after removing subsidy, they now started reducing the days of work, reducing this one. They have not increased salary yet too. I read in the news today where the House of Reps are saying that due to subsidy removal, that the federal government should increase their own salary. They are being selfish. They are not even talking about the poor masses. They are talking about their own pockets. Are you coming into power to come and enrich yourself, or you are coming to serve? That is my question to the House of Reps member. I will not answer them now. Their own, I'm coming for them later. Now, what I'm talking about is the matter on ground. You have to share this video so that people can be aware. So is that the reason why you want to collect 500 billion from the Senate? You are telling the Senate to approve 500 billion. This one is continuation of what Buhari is doing now. Automatically it's continuation because Buhari has been collecting money. Isn't that the thing that CBN governor was saying? The same reason you arrested Emefiele is the same reason you want to continue now. Because what Emefiele was doing was that Buhari would tell him, Emefiele, how are you? My woman, transfer money to her, 2 billion. She wants to eradicate poverty. You are sending 2 billion, and poverty is still the order of the day. They have not been able to eradicate the poverty. And all these billions they collect to say they want to share household. Can't you try another method? If Buhari has been trying this same method, you, Tinubu, that say you study economics in or which university in America, you are supposed to know how to eradicate poverty, empower the masses. Instead of coming to us and tell us you want to give 12 million household 8,000. What is 8,000 naira? Buhari regime did the same thing. That is how they collected money, gave to one person to go and eradicate poverty. They chopped the money. During Buhari regime, look at how people were just getting money anyhow, becoming rich overnight. It's the same thing you want to continue. It did not work, in case nobody will tell you. I am telling you now. That format that Buhari did, that you are trying to do now, it didn't work. There is still poverty. There is still hunger in the land. What is even wrong with you people, man? Can't you bring some? We have some vibrant youths They are school abroad. Vibrant youth, they are even school in the country. They are school in the country. They are intellectual. They know how to eradicate. They know system that is going to eradicate the poor. Give them the opportunity. Stop employing all these yes sir. Employment based on friendship, based on my guy, based on you don't employ based on merit. We have thinkers that will think. Look at Mark Zuckerberg. He thought about it. He opened a Thread. Thread has a lot of employees battling Twitter. Elon Musk too, he saw that Thread has come, Twitter will slow, he has come up with something again. Thinkers, we have them in this country. We have people that think. Bring them on board. This format of sharing 8,000 naira to 12 million houses, collecting 500 billion, this one that should stop. That format is old format. Buhari has cast the format. Spoil the format. Collected loan here and there. Tell CBN governor to transfer to that woman. That woman, nobody arrests her till now. They should stop all the thing. Okay, you give them the 8,000 for 6 months. They chop for 6 months. After 6 months, you leave them, they will go back to hunger. Hey, that is the plan now. Is it not the plan? After 6 months, you leave them back in hunger. Instead of you to create a program that is going to bring them, make them creative. Create security so that farmers can go to the farm and farm. You are telling me you want to give 8,000 to house. Okay, what of us that are struggling? Okay, you want to select your own household and give them 8,000. What will you give to us? One-sided government. I don't know. Come. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, I don't know who is advising you. But the person is telling you bad advice. This same thing, they didn't tell you that Buhari has just used it. Eh? We have continued the same line of stop it! Stop it! Allah, stop it! The same method that Buhari used, you want to use it again? 8,000 naira for every household. After 6 months, you leave there, they will not be hungry. Are you repairing the problem or you are causing more damage? Allah, stop it! Allah, please. A word is enough for the wise. Even as I'm trying to say that they should employ creative mind to bring strategies that will eradicate poverty instead of this house-to-house empowerment for 6 months. After 6 months, they will still be hungry. Some people will see what this video and say, this man Ashaibu, what is he taking? Yeah, when Buhari was there, did we tell you people anything? It's now Yoruba tongue. Allow us to do as we like. I agree, I don't have sense. But I am the spice creator. This one is not something you would drag with me. Certified by Elon Musk, I'm the spice creator. Registered by Mark Zuckerberg. Spice creator, international Rwanda, Seychelles, Ethiopia, Ghana spice creator. Google me if you like. If you like, don't Google me, that is your business.